Hi guys, my name is Donna and welcome back to my channel, No Mirror Needed, where I make videos every week on a number of topics such as lifestyle, fashion, beauty, fitness, anything that's going to help us live our best life possible. So today I thought I'd talk about 3 books that have motivated and inspired me throughout the years and what the best books to read going into the new year 2020. With a new decade upon us, I thought that we really needed some inspiration and motivation to guide us through this new year, and I wanted to share with you 3 books that really meant a lot to me. These are books that have really made an impact on my life. They're books that I've read over and over again. They've brought me spiritual guidance. They brought me faith. So these books were either referred to me, I stumbled upon them somehow, or they just came at the right time when I needed them the most. Over the years, it's really easy to lose faith in a lot of things, especially when there's a lot of hardship going on in your life. Now, I was brought up Catholic. I am Italian. If you haven't noticed, I talk a lot with my hands. I'm from New York, and I went to church every Sunday. I went to religion, did my sacraments, did CCD, but there's always a misconnection there between spirituality and what my belief system was. I think that no matter what you believe in, as long as you have hope in something and you believe in something, that great things will always come your way. Now, this video is not meant to influence anyone into believing what I believe in. I just wanted to share my experiences with you and talk about the best books that have motivated and inspired me throughout my life. Now, the first book I want to talk about is called The Secret, written by Rhonda Byrne, and I talked about this book before in my previous video, How to Make a Successful Vision Board and the Law of Attraction and Manifesting. You can go ahead and watch that video. I'll leave a link above for it. And it is something that I wanted to just dive in a little bit more deeper into this video and just explain a little bit more behind the message behind it. If you don't know what manifesting is or what the Law of Attraction is, it is the power of intentionally creating what you want through a series of beliefs and affirmations. It is the ability to really truly create anything that you desire in your life, whether it be wealth, health, love, peace of mind. We are taught that if we work really hard for these things, we'll eventually get them, but the universe is actually doing the work for us. We just need to learn how to tap into that and teach ourselves how to use it. Whatever you think about, you can manifest into reality. And the book The Secret is a collection of experiences from other people who have used this belief to get exactly what it is that they want. Now, we are always constantly thinking, and the thoughts that you are thinking is creating the life around you. It is creating our future. The universe does not understand good things or bad things. It just hears what it is that we are saying, and it creates more of it. So if you're constantly talking bad about yourself, you're constantly saying, I'm broke, I'm fat, I'm ugly, I have nobody in my life, then all the universe hears is more of that and will just keep giving you more of the same thing. Now, we all know that person who somehow has the worst type of luck. That could be you. I know that that was me. And all bad things always seem to always happen to them or follow them around. But it's because it's the energy and the ideas that they're putting out there that the universe is just giving back the same of the same. Now, I know it can be really hard to change that mindset, especially if bad things are happening over and over and over again. It's like you're in quicksand and you don't know how to get out, and it just keeps happening over and over again. But you have to learn to change that mindset so that those negative things will turn into positive things. Another belief to achieve this power is to be gracious for the things that you already have. So be grateful for the house that you live in and the car that you're driving and the job that you have and the health that you have. Because when you show gratefulness and you're gracious and appreciative of the things that you have already, the universe will just sustain that for you and then give you more of a better situation. If the universe is constantly hearing that you're not grateful for what you already have, why should the universe reward you with more? Why should the universe reward you with better if you're not even humble and gracious for what you already have? Now, the book The Secret teaches you how to create that lifestyle you want by already believing that you have the things that you seek. By saying daily affirmations, you're letting the universe know that you're open to receive those messages. You are transmitting a powerful frequency that can really help bring those things into focus. Now, if you don't know what an affirmation is, it's something powerful that you could say over and over again to yourself to bring positive life changes. I'm going to leave a link below that you can download on 10 positive affirmations that you can say to yourself. These are really good examples when you're just first starting out and you're not sure exactly what to say. I like to say my affirmations in both the morning and the nighttime, and I like to say to myself, I have an abundance of wealth. I am open to receive the messages that the universe is willing to send to me. I am grateful for what I have, and the mistakes I made are just mistakes, and tomorrow is a new day. Another way you can instill the beliefs of law of attraction and manifesting is by creating a vision board. A vision board can basically be anything you want. It's words or sayings or pictures that you put on a board that help you subliminally envision the life that you want to create. If you go to their website, thesecret.com, you can learn more about the art of manifesting and the law of attraction, and you can even watch their movie that came out in 2006, which is just another version of the book, just in a movie form. It's basically the same as the book, where it's a collection of people's experiences where they apply the law of attraction and really change their life around and getting and receiving the things that they truly wanted in their life. I put a link below for the downloadable check that you can make out to yourself, and basically you just fill it out and you put an amount that you want, and somehow or other the universe will get this money to you. It is not our job to, to figure out how it's going to get to us. It's just our job to believe. Okay guys, so I'm actually filming this portion of the video the very next day. For some reason the file got corrupted, so I had to refilm this portion of the video. So the next book that I wanted to talk about is called The Seed of the Soul, and this is written by Gary Zukav, and it's a #1 New York Times bestseller. This is the book that truly inspired me spiritually. It's my second copy. My first one, I just read a ton out of it. I had highlighted so many passages in the book that I wanted to keep on referring back to because I just love the content, and this is really one of my favorite books I've ever read. So this book is really meant to change how you see the world and how you interact with others. It also helps you understand your motivation and your intentions behind your actions. So the book starts out by explaining the theory of evolution and then quickly dives into other aspects of the soul, the creation of soul, and the personality behind your soul. It explains how your emotions drive your intentions and how our perception affects the journey that our soul is on. It explains how our personality goes far behind having only 5 senses and how we're really meant to be multisensory. Then it goes into explaining how and what's behind our intuition. You know, that gut feeling that you get in the pit of your stomach that tells you to go left or go right, or don't go down this block, or don't talk to this person. It's that little voice inside your head, and sometimes we really don't listen to it. It teaches us how to truly tap in and to listen to this intuition so we can learn how to avoid painful situations. This book truly teaches you how to hone in and control your emotions so you can get the best possible outcome to your life. It teaches you how to create authentic power and how to be more conscious, and that there is always a cause and effect to your actions. In this 25th anniversary edition, there's even a study guide with questions and answers with exercises that will teach you how to hone into this intuition. This book does a great job diving deep into addiction, what is addiction, and how a splintered personality could create darkness instead of light, and how fear could prevent us from living our best life possible. Fear truly gets in the way of learning real life lessons. By learning these lessons and having the experiences, your personality can then grow. This book is truly a great read. It's so personal to your emotions, and I do recommend it to anyone who wants help bringing the best positive meaning to their life with no fear, hate, or negativity. The next book that I want to talk about is called The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. Now this book is about the journey into the power of now by leaving your analytical mind and your false created self and ego behind. The power of now is what's needed to reach a peaceful state of mind, body, and soul. It is here that you find true joy and learn that you're already created complete and perfectly. The journey into the power of now is very challenging. Eckhart Tolle does a great job teaching us this by giving us a question and answer format. It is truly powerful to believe that we can be guided into spiritual enlightenment. By understanding that you are not the thoughts in your mind and that you can consciously choose the outcomes, experiences, and direction that your life is going to lead, you can manipulate the outcome and give yourself a situation that's truly meant to be for you. You truly learn how to rise above your thoughts because your thoughts are what controls your emotions, which controls your body. This book teaches you that there's no time limit in creating your authentic future. So guys, these 3 books really molded me, my heart, my mind, my spirituality, and really taught me how to tackle the most unconventional experiences. It has given me really true insight and how to communicate better with others. By keeping my emotions under control, I can really pay attention on which situation, how to handle it, and which path I need to choose for the best possible outcome for myself. The book I'm currently reading is by Michael Singer, and it's called The Untethered Soul, and this book is really meant to teach you about who you really are. I'm only about a chapter in, but so far I'm really enjoying the content. It really teaches you that you hold no boundaries, and it gives you that lesson that you need about your emotions and your personality really truly being connected. It's teaching you who you really are and who you're really meant to be. It explains on how to break the habit of talking to yourself with bad thoughts. So guys, I really hope you like these 3 recommendations and the 4th that I'm currently reading. I can't wait to dive in a little bit more into this book. I really think that it's going to be one of my favorite reads, and I'm going to add it quickly to the list of my favorite books. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed my recommendations today, and if you're interested in this topic, I will leave links down below for you on all the books that I talked about, and if you'd rather listen to it instead of read the books, they're all available on audible.com, so you can definitely go ahead and check that out. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment below on the types of videos that you would like to see. Give me a thumbs up, it helps me a lot with my channel, and I'll go ahead and leave links right over here on the side for you, so go ahead and check out my previous videos. Pay close attention to the one on how to make a successful vision board and the art of manifesting and the law of attraction, as well as how to get along better with your boss and your coworkers. So for now, see you next week and have a great day. Bye.